So today I'll explain a particular sentence that comes in the quiz that makes everybody make a mistake, everybody. So focus once you understand this concept, you'll never make the mistake again. Nel caso in cui la sosta è espressamente vietata dal norme del codice della strada, in case the parking is expressively forbidden by law, according to the traffic rules and regulations, osservanza di tale divieto, in order to observe that divieto, it is not conditioned by the presence of a sign, road sign. For example, if you know by law that something is that you don't need a sign for something that is obvious. I'll give you an example. When you go to your theaters and cinemas, sometimes when you go for a break, there are men's toilets and ladies' toilets. Now, in the ladies' toilet, it's not written men do not enter because it's ladies' toilet. A man who's a man will not enter. He does not need an extra instruction that he shouldn't enter because it's a ladies' toilet. Similarly, if you know in the law, they tell you that in the curve you should not park. Will you be adamant and say, I will not park in the curve only if I see a no parking sign? No, right? That's what the sentence is saying. If the law obviously forbids to observe that law, you don't need a road sign. That's what the sign says. Okay, have you understood that? A small note. I need you all to know, everyone in this class should know this, because otherwise if you get this in exam, you'll not remember. And this same sentence comes without non. That is a dangerous one. It says it is still instead of non, it'll say comunque. They will use the word comunque in the same sentence. You still need a sign instead of non, and that will be falso. Okay, once again, I'm reading it for you. Nel caso in cui la sosta è espressamente vietata da un norme del codice della strada, osservanza di tale divieto non è condizionata dalla presenza di cartelli segnaletici, and this is vero. Now is your chance to stop me if you didn't understand thoroughly. Otherwise, I'll move on, okay? Thank you. Spazio totale di arresto, total space of arrest is consisting of two spaces. When you drive a car and you see there's a danger, you say, oh my God, and you put your foot on lift your foot from the race and put on the brake. Your space, tell me, Sue.
Sorry, you're still recording.
I'm still recording. Thank you, Sue.
You're welcome.